Write a Python program that separates negative and positive numbers from a list and prints. Method 1. Using list comprehension. Function definition. This defines a function called separate_numbers, which takes a single argument numbers, expected to be a list of integers. List comprehensions. This line creates a new list positive_numbers that contains all the numbers from the numbers list that are greater than or equal to 0. It uses a list comprehension, which is a concise way to generate lists. The syntax is expression for item in iterable if condition. Here, number is each item in the numbers list, and if number equals 0 filters out only the non-negative numbers. This line creates a new list negative_numbers that contains all the numbers from the numbers list that are less than 0. Similarly, it uses a list comprehension with the condition if number 0. Return statement. The function returns a tuple containing the two lists, positive_numbers and negative_numbers. Example usage. This line defines a list of integers, called numbers. This line calls the separate_numbers function, with the numbers list as the argument. The function returns two lists which are assigned to positive_numbers and negative_numbers. Printing results. These lines print the separated positive and negative numbers. The output shows the lists of positive and negative numbers, separated from the original list. Method 2. Using dictionary comprehension. Function definition. This line defines a function named separate_numbers that takes a single parameter numbers. Dictionary comprehension. This creates a dictionary named separated, with two keys, positive and negative. For the positive key, it uses a list comprehension to filter and include only the numbers from the input list numbers that are greater than or equal to 0. For the negative key, it uses a list comprehension to filter and include only the numbers from the input list numbers that are less than 0. Return statement. This returns the dictionary separated, containing the separated lists of positive and negative numbers. Example usage of input list. This defines a list of numbers to be separated. Function call. This calls the separate_numbers function with the numbers list and stores the result in the separated_numbers variable. Printing results. These lines print the lists of positive and negative numbers stored in the separated_numbers dictionary. Here's the complete code along with its output when executed. The function correctly separates the input list into positive and negative numbers and prints them accordingly. Method 3. Using for loop. Function name and parameters. The function separate_numbers takes a single parameter numbers, which is expected to be a list of integers. Initialization. Two empty lists, positive_numbers and negative_numbers, are initialized. These lists will store the positive and negative numbers respectively. For loop. The loop for number in numbers iterates over each number in the input list numbers. Condition check. If number equals 0, checks if the current number is non-negative, i.e., 0 or positive. If true, the number is appended to the positive_numbers list. Else, if the number is negative, it is appended to the negative_numbers list. Return statement. The function returns a tuple containing the positive_numbers and negative_numbers lists. Input list. The list numbers is defined with a mix of positive and negative integers, 10, -1, 20, -30, 40, -50, 60, -70. Function call. The function separate underscore numbers, numbers, is called with numbers as its argument. The function's return value, a tuple, is unpacked into the variables positive underscore numbers and negative underscore numbers. Printing results. Print, positive numbers, positive underscore numbers, outputs the list of positive numbers. Print, negative numbers, negative underscore numbers, outputs the list of negative numbers.